time to come out. Here they are. The beauty queens. I just took a shower too. Quit your complaining, Jan. Oh, Cindy, you're cheating. No cheating. No cheating. Here's some watermelon. I'll put up here. Some watermelons. Pick the old stuff up. Okay, girls. Oh, those dogs. Who's barking? I forgot your spinach. Spinach, everyone. Come on, you want to be strong like Popeye. Eat your spinach. Jan, eat your spinach. What are you two doing?
Hi.
Oh.
What's wrong with you this morning? I heard a lot of screaming going on.
Because the damn hose is all full of holes. The faucet fell off. I thought I'd have. Yeah, I thought I'd be able to use the hose, for the first time this spring.
Holes where?
In the hose. Where do you think? Where else would the holes
Sure
be?
it's just not the faucet?
It's the hole. They're squirting up like fountains. I'm struggling today after that walk yesterday. But I'm gonna do this. Keep walking, Michelle. Ugh.
Good, dear.
I can do it. I'm struggling today.
Are you? You're sore today?
Yeah. Okay. We got a beautiful sunny Monday from the lake. I can't see them. I can hear them. I can't see them. Look at Coco. He's a beach bum now. Look at that little beach bum. Oh boy. Let's go, you guys. You hear them? I love that sound. You can't beat that sound, that's for sure. Yep, I'm going down there. I'm pushing myself. Pushing myself. Let's go. No excuses. You made it to the end of the road. Let's do the path, hon. I want to eat some chips. Let's do the path. I want to eat some chips. Yeah, well, we'll see you along the way. Bruce walks along the lake, and me and Coco, we stay on the trail. Yeah, so he needs to get his own camera. He needs a camera. Here, why don't you take the camera? We're gonna leave our stroller right here and get it on the way back. Nobody will touch it. And we're gonna do the path down here. Just be careful, Michelle. Careful you don't trip. I could trip over a twig. I can. I'm good at that.
Are you gonna hike when we're camping?
Oh, I'll be prepared. I'll be ready.
You'll have to wrap yourself in bubble wrap.
Yeah. I trip over a twig. Oh look, this is nice, eh? I thought I heard those little stinkers out there. You okay with this, Coke?
Got a water.
Oh, it's in the stroller.
She did it. There's two beauties. Oh, the little baby carp. Tons of them. She can't wait. She's a trooper.
Chick, 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 chickadee. Here they come. Chick, 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 chickadee.
She did it.
Okay guys, I'm making bean sprout shrimp soup for me. Bruce is having leftover chili. You could have a sandwich with that too, hon, if you wanted to.
I don't know. I'm trying to. Yeah, I could have it on a wrap.
Yeah. So I'm cooking an onion. I put onion. I just put onion, shrimp, bean sprouts. I love it. Instead of noodles, I use bean sprouts. And I think it's amazing.
You're so creative.
Can you get me my red pot there, hon?
Oh, anything for you, my.
So let me get the onions cut up and the shrimps cleaned and the tails off, and we'll start cooking a little bit of my soup. I'm having a big bowl too.
On the edge there, baby.
Okay, I got the onions going and I'm going to salt and pepper them. Got about 2 tablespoons of butter in there.
Okay.
Salt and pepper them. I'm actually going to add some garlic too.
I'm thinking of having them sausages.
Yeah, that's what we're having for dinner
I
tonight.
told him he's coming over.
Okay.
I told him if you want, you can eat here. I says,
I got those buns in the freezer. Ballpark Frank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told him, I says, yeah, we'll have a fire and that. He's going to bring a sticker coat. He says, yeah, that's cool.
Oh, he won't need that today.
No, just...
Unless you go by the lake, it's cooler. Yeah. No.
Because
I'm busy.
I'm not independent. I'm dependent on you, dear. Did you guys hear that?
Oh, look, you put a napkin over top.
Yeah, so it wouldn't splatter all over. I was thinking of you. 2 minutes, you think long enough?
I don't know. See if it's hot. Take it a spoon.
You're a pro.
For the shrimp, I like to leave them in big pieces. I like big pieces. I took all the tails off and I'm getting all the water off of them. I'm going to throw them in the pot with the onions.
And she's glad she's married to a shrimp.
I have to take it off the burner for a minute while I got the shrimp done.
And I'm making my wrap.
Well, first I'm going to put some boulin in there.
Boulin?
Yeah, because boxed.
Can you give me the...
What? Boxed, what is it? Chicken broth. It's not very tasty, so you want to put a little bit of that in there. This is what really makes your soup tasty.
You're so informative.
Well, I like to try because
You are.
if you want tasty soup, you gotta add a little bit of better than boulin.
Boulin.
We'll get that melted a bit. Can you get me
Anything. What do you want?
a box of chicken broth over there in the pantry?
Oh, you got it, girlfriend.
Other pantry.
Oh!
I'm throwing the shrimp in, you guys.
Is it in this one or the other one?
I just said the other pantry.
Oh, I didn't hear the other.
We're gonna feast for food.
What you want, beef or?
No, chicken. Okay, so we're just gonna stir that up a bit. No, not yet. I don't want to put it in yet.
Oh, sorry.
Warm the shrimp up a little bit.
Gotta go get some more lunch meat.
Eat the stuff we have first.
Yeah, well, it's almost empty. You're okay.
I'm gonna throw the bean sprouts in now.
Just warm.
It's warm, just warm. It's not cold, hot enough.
I put it in for 5 minutes.
Okay, here goes some bean sprouts.
Sitting in your chair?
Yeah, but I still gotta cook this, so, and I gotta make my bed before I eat. Yes. So I'm just gonna do this up for a little bit, a little stir fry, and then I'll add the broth to it. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna add the chicken broth. Probably the whole box. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the whole box. I'm gonna bring this boil for a little bit, and then we'll eat. I'm gonna taste the broth to see if I need to add more bouillon, because I have a little bit left in here, just a little bit. Yeah, I could use it up probably. There's not much left in the jar, so just a little bit more. I like a tasty broth. I don't like a broth that tastes like water. That's for sure. Let that boil for a few minutes, and then we'll get a big bowl with some chips and dip. I forgot. I'm going to add spinach. I forgot. Yeah, I'm going to add some spinach to that. Why did I pick this one? All the new spatulas I have, and I pick a winter one. This one's going away after I wash it. Yeah. There we go. A little bit more, maybe? No? That's good. Okay, you guys. Look at that soup. Look at it. I don't know. Can you see it? Let me bring you in for a shot. Over here. Come on. Look at that soup. There's some chips and dip. Okay. So we fasted 18 hours for this food. 18 hours. I'm ready to eat. How about you? What's going on? We're gonna try this. Look at this stuff. It's hot, so you gotta be careful. It's so good. Iced tea. It's good. Oh yeah. Let's have a chip. while our soup cools a bit. That was a good walk. I'm gonna give Zen some bean sprouts. I think he likes them. Let's get some spinach and some bean sprouts. Just take my time and feast away while I watch some YouTube. That is good stuff. I enjoy it. I enjoy it. Are you and Rosie talking, Zen? Are you talking to Rosie? Oh, Zenny's in love with Rosie, you guys. Zenny and Rosie sitting in the tree. I'm just cleaning up a mess here. Then I'm gonna get out some potatoes and make some home fries. Bruce is gonna cook some sausages on the barbecue. Look at what my neighbor gave me. All her cookbooks. She's cleaning out her cupboards, and she asked me if I wanted them. Oh, we'll sit down and we'll go through them after. I have a question for my subbies. You guys know everything. Instead of Googling, I'll just ask you. So Bruce bought this butter when I wasn't feeling well a while, like 4 weeks ago. Is this real butter? It says salted whey butter. Can anybody tell me what whey butter is? Is it normal butter? Somebody? I'm pretty sure somebody knows. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I got my French fry cutter out. I have these potatoes I gotta use because they're going bad. We don't eat a lot of potatoes. Yeah, so I got some smaller ones. I'm gonna use them up, cook them up. To cook them all up, I'm just gonna do them in the oven with my convectional oven. It gets them pretty crispy. Ooh, that one's going crooked. I got this at Walmart. Someone's gonna ask. I just got it at Walmart. It's cheap, but it works. I've had it for years. If you've been here a while, you'll know. Yes, I've had it for a while. It does the job. Yeah. Okay, I just got olive oil on them, a little bit of salt, some pepper. I got it. Red Frank's hot sauce original for French fries, and I always forget to use it, so I'm gonna use it. I used it the other day. It was real good. I didn't film that, but I made chicken in the air fryer and I used this spice. It was really good. And then I put barbecue sauce on them. Yeah, it was really good. Where's my spatula? Yeah, so I'm gonna get these in the oven. Oh, I might season them one more time. Okay, Bruce has got the smokies. What are they called, huh?
Farmer's smoked sausage.
They smell
They're double
good.
smoked.
Yes.
I wish I
Looking
wouldn't
good.
have had to cook the whole pack though.
Why?
Because it's the way they do it. They package them so you got to cook them all.
Well, you could have separated them when you.
Yeah,
we
I
got
know.
these at Costco.
I made the mistake. I just bought them. I wanted to see how they were because they look pretty good actually. They're double smoked.
Look at you guys. Bruce found this in the garbage. I'm gonna have him put it with my bird feeders. Shush, Bruce. We gotta put our stuff away. Anyways, I'm gonna put it in the front yard by the bird feeders, and the little birdies can get a drink. That'll be perfect, hon. Coco thinks I'm cutting chicken. I'm not cutting chicken. I'm cutting onions, Bobby. Onions. I know it looks like chickens when you're half blind. It looks like a chicken, but it's not. No. We are going to use paper tonight. Bruce's friend over, so it's just like they'll probably eat outside, and I'll eat in here with you guys. And I'll just set up mustard, ketchup, onions here. We can fix our plate and go sit down. Okay, I'm gonna roast some peeps for dessert.
At least I'll be done right.
Yes, I like them.
Last time I did them, you
didn't
like
do them enough.
Yeah.
You didn't. These poor
Didn't do
chickens. I feel sad for them.
Yeah, it looks like it. Put them in a flame. I feel sorry for them. Burn, you little suckers.
Okay. I'm gonna go roast these peeps.
Roast those little buggers.
And ooh, ooh, it smells so nice out here. Campfire. Campfire cooking. Okay, they look a mess, but they're amazing. They're amazing. We're gonna eat that crap after we do our sausages.
I leave the house at 5:30. Drop him
No
off,
button.
and I'll just go right to work.
Now I'm gonna have to pull it all out.
I'm telling you, this looks awful, but it tastes like a campfire. You
What?
guys, this peep.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have the smoke.
Yeah.
In it.
Uh-huh.
I've never seen that done before, Michelle.
No?
Nope. Never.
You know what else is good? Starburst. You put Starburst on a stick
Oh yeah.
and you roast them. Oh,
I tried it the one day. It was good.
Oh, I love Starburst.
Yeah.
Oh.
On a skewer.
What is that?
it's my peep.
That's different.
About 3 peeps. I melted them.
Different.
I roasted them on the fire. I know it looks awful, but it tastes like a campfire, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Want to try it?
I'm good.
Nate?
I'm good.
Hey, did you find a cookie outside? Joan, did you find a cookie? Yeah, she found a cookie outside. Good find. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here we go. Here you go. Okay, so Bruce's friend bring over some Pepsis, so I had one. Yeah, I have one once in a while. Yeah, he brought a 6-pack, one for each of us. Okay, I promised to show you the cookbooks that my neighbor gave me and I almost forgot. So here we go. Here we go. There's one. This one here is Better Homes and Gardens. If you know, I'm going to sit here and look at them all. I love cookbooks. I love looking through them. Carb Counters Diabetic Cookbook. Yeah. So I got that one. I'll take a look at that, see if we can get any good recipes out of there. For sure. Okay, the next one, I was really surprised. This is A Decade of Cooking the Costco Way. What? I've never seen this book before, have you? The Costco Way. So it's like it's got so many wonderful desserts in here. And chicken salad with dried blueberries, bologna and peppers. So excited to look through this one too. I never knew Costco had a cookbook. Did you guys? No. I didn't know that. This one here, she told me, oh, she bought her husband for Christmas and he never looked at it once. So, barbecue and salads. Barbecues and salads, and it's got 2 books in here. Oh, heavy, 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 you guys. So we'll be looking at this one here. Oh, I hope there's not too much of a glare on the books. I'm trying not to get a glare on them. This one here. And this one. This one here. Best ever salads. Ooh. Different kinds of salads. Yeah, that's what I need. Even if I don't make anything out of them, I'll get to read them all and look at them. And I'm sure we'll find something. Okay, then we have companies coming. Pasta. And then we have companies coming. Soups and sandwiches. And then we have companies coming. Vegetables. Okay, so then there's companies coming main courses. And companies coming salads. I don't know if I really like these ones, so I'll probably give those ones to the donation. And this one's low sodium recipes.
Keeper?
I don't know, I'll look through it.
How you making out?
Then I have these 2, barbecue. Barbecue Central. Ooh.
Them are probably good.
Yeah, I'll look through these
Them are
ones.
from the LCBO.
From the liquor store?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's just drinks. I'm not sure.
This one here is probably going to be a keeper. I like these kind of cookbooks. Pine Ridge Community Association. Yeah, these are good ones. Old recipes, good ideas.
You know where that's from?
Where?
Alberta. I think that's where rose come from.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's probably...
That's an oldie. That's
yeah.
been... And then there's this cookies one.
Cookies, and so many cookies.
Oh, that looks good, that cookie.
Yeah, it does.
So I'll take a look through them. Peanut butter no-bake cookies.
Mm.
Oh,
Looks like a pretty good book. I'm
Yeah.
looking at it.
look at the little gingerbreads. See the
Uh-oh.
little gingerbread?
Looks like Rice Krispie squares they use, eh? When they cut 'em.
Anyways, I'll put these over here and I'll go through them when I'm sitting here. And you know how much I love to read. So, we're going to call it a night. Thanks for joining us, you guys. Thanks for walking with us today. We are always glad to have you.
You can squeeze my head over the books.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
See you later.
Good night, everyone.
Night.